Welcome back. We are now going to grab our document and we're going to click on this drag and drop area to upload the document. What we're then going to do is click Create. What you'll see then is that ElevenLabs will then create the project for you. The next part of the process is going to be to divide the content into chapters. So we're going to cut out one part. We're going to create a new chapter. To add the chapter, we're going to click on top of the element. We're going to paste in our content. We'll hit Control Home to go back to the top. We'll then get all of the other information. We'll then do is we'll get all the other information and we'll move it to the next section. And our document has now been successfully laid into sections for the AI to narrate. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.